This is going to be a short video demonstrating how you can use Screencastify for feedback. In this case, it's with a Google Doc that's been submitted through Google Classroom. So the first thing you need to do to get Screencastify is to go to the Chrome Web Store and just search Screencastify, and then you'll get the extension that you can put into your Chrome browser. This is the icon here, just where I'm moving my mouse. To start Screencastify, I just click on the icon once, and a small window will appear. I then have three options. I'm just going to stick with Browser tab, and I'm going to stick with the default options. I'm not going to choose to embed the webcam, but if you want to do that, you can have yourself appearing in the video as you speak. I know some students really appreciate that. Once you're happy with these settings, you just go ahead and tap on record.
3, 2, 1.
So this is now live. I'm now recording everything that I do on the screen with my voice also. So here we go. I've got my document. I'm going to start giving some feedback. First thing I'm going to do is to turn on the focus mouse. This will give me a spotlight, which I can then move around and I can talk to my student in the feedback. So along the lines of, so I can see, Sue, that I really like the text that you've found here and that you've put in the About section of Ken Robinson. I think you might have found it from a website. So if you use the Explore tool, and then once you're in the Explore tool, if you just cite as a footnote, which is very, very easily just choosing the MLA format, that would be great. You may also decide that you'd like to do some annotation in the document, so I'm just quickly demonstrate that. So I see here, Sue, that you've said you've enjoyed Ken Robinson's TED Talks and that they've spoken to you in different ways. If you wouldn't mind elaborating on that, just to explain the ways that they've affected you, that would be great. I'm going to erase those marks just by clearing the whole screen. Once you're happy with your video and the feedback, you can send that to the student. First thing you do is tap on the pause and then the stop button to end recording. This will open the video in a new tab. I'm going to mute it before it starts playing. And all I need to do now, just to share that right back with the student, is to click on the copy link, go back to the document itself, and then paste that in. And that is now ready to go with a nice link to the video feedback. I can just tap on post and that will be shared with the student. Thanks very much. I hope that was of some use.